The 2020 Olympics will be held at Tokyo, Japan and will be scheduled to take place from 23rd July to 8 August. Although it is being held in 2021 due to postponement due to COVID-19 pandemic, it retained the term Tokyo 2020 for marketing and branding purposes. Hey guys, welcome to my channel Indian Olympics, and today we shall discuss Indian athletes who have qualified for the 2020 Olympics. As we can see, Indians have qualified in wide variety of sports and the contingent size has crossed 100 for the second time. Compared to previous Olympics, our contingent size and number of events is on an increasing trend. India is also participating in 18 sports. The number of female participations is also quite encouraging and a positive sign. The Olympics is actively moving towards female equality, both in terms of events and participations. Now let's look at archery. 3 male archers qualified and will participate in individual and team event. Atanu Das is going to his second Olympics and is ranked 9. Only one female archer qualified, who is world number 1 Deepika Kumari. Athletics. These are the male athletes who qualified in road and running events. Avinash Sehgal is the national record holder in 3000 meter steeplechase. Next, the field events. Neeraj Chopra is a dark horse in javelin throw, where you need to throw more than at least 88 meters to be in contention for a medal. Now let's look at the 6 women athletes who qualified. Seema Punia will be participating in her 4th Olympics. Lastly, the relay teams, which is the men's 4x400 meters and the mixed 4x400 meters, who have also qualified. Badminton. In men's singles, 2019 bronze medalist in World Championships Sai Praneeth shall be playing. In women's singles, PV Sindhu, who is 2019 World Champion, shall also be taking part. She is a genuine medal contender, however, it will be tough to win a medal. Boxing. 5 male boxers qualified. Genuine medal contenders are world number 1 Amit Pangal, Manish Kaushik and Vikas Krishnan Yadav. All the female boxers are top boxers as well, with 6-time world champion Mary Kom and world number 3 Simranjit Kaur. Equestrian. Fawad Mirza will be taking part in eventing. He also won a silver in 2018 Asian Games. Fencing. Bhavani Devi made history by becoming the first Indian to qualify in fencing. Hockey. The captain of the men's team shall be Manpreet Singh, and he is also the flag bearer of the opening ceremony. The captain of the women's team shall be Rani Rampal. Golf. 2 male and 1 female golfer qualified. Anirban Lahiri and Aditi Ashok also participated in 2016. Gymnastics. Praniti Nayak will be participating in artistic all-around event, which consists of vault, uneven bars, balance beam and floor exercise. Judo. Only one judoka qualified, who is Sushila Devi Likmabam. Rowing. The pair of Arjun Lal and Arvind Singh shall take part in lightweight double sculls. Sailing. India qualified for the first time since 2008. The pair of K. Ganpati and Varun Thakkar shall sail in the 49er boat, and they also won bronze in 2018 Asian Games. Netra Kumaran became the first Indian female sailor to qualify. Shooting. Most of our medals are expected to come from shooting. All the shooters had a tremendous 2019 and have been winning medals in 2018 Asian Games and 2018 Commonwealth Games. Big expectations are from Saurabh Chaudhary, who is still just a teenager. Another emerging talent is Ashwari Tomar, who is just age 20. Among the women, medal contenders are Manu Bhakar, Yashaswini Deswal and Ella Benel Valadevan. Rahi Sarnobat is experienced and she won gold in Commonwealth Games way back in 2010. Swimming. Sarjan Prakash and Srihari Nataraj made history by becoming the first Indians to breach the A qualifying mark and qualify on merit. India is always dependent on universality quotas to qualify in swimming. Table tennis. 2 male and 2 female paddlers each will play in singles events. Sharad Kamal and Manika Batra will also participate in mixed doubles. Tennis. Only the pair of Sania Mirza and Ankita Raina shall participate in women's doubles. Weightlifting. Mirabai Chanu is a genuine medal contender, as only one weightlifter is ahead of her and who shall be participating. Wrestling. Indian wrestlers are also expected to win medals. Bajrang Punia is a great hope. Vinesh Fogart is world number 1 and is desperate to win a medal. Anshu Malik and Sonam Malik are just teenagers but are talented wrestlers. So this was the entire list of athletes who qualified for the Olympics. Next up, we shall be looking at the athletes who qualified for our South Asian neighbors. So please subscribe if you want to stay up to date when a new video is released. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.